In this video, I'm showing the ultimate blueprint on how you can obtain $1 million in prop firm capital with just $100. This sounds crazy, but I have data to back what I'm saying is true. If you want to learn how you can get $1 million in prop firm capital with just $100, then continue watching as I'll share exactly in detail how you can do that. And thank you for watching this video. I have a bonus for you guys, or like a giveaway, something extra. I have a complete written down blueprint for you guys that I'll give completely free out to you guys at the end of this video. So continue watching and I'll show you exactly how you can actually get access to this complete blueprint on how you can start passing these prop firms. So let's go on to the chart right now, and I'm going to show you exactly in detail how I am doing this and how you can do so too. Continue watching. Let's go. Right here guys, I have an exact plan for you guys how to now start with this whole blueprint of mine, right? I have embarked on this journey, like I said, so I passed already the first stages of this. Now, besides all my other funded accounts, this is just a journey of my own, which I'm going to share with you guys as well. So I did start the one journey and pass the 10K account, right? And now I'm on to the next stage of getting the payouts. And from there, I'm actually going to start on my two-step right now. So let's take you through the whole process. Let's say you have $100. The first step is to get at least about $10,000 account, which is less than $100. I do have a discount code for you guys down below in the description where you can actually, pay at least like $78 instead for the $10,000 account. So that's a bonus for you guys. The link's down below. Use the code and you can get the $10,000 account for like $78. Okay. Now, let's say the first target, remember, this is all based off you passing the prop firms. If you're not passing prop firms, then I will recommend you go watch other videos or just, message me to help you pass prop firms if you're still failing. But this is for if you're passing the prop firms or you're a profitable trader. So let's say your goal is to make 5%, which is very realistic. Just 5% a month for the entire month on a $10,000 account is $500. From that $500, you're going to take half of that and you're going to buy yourself a $50,000 account, which is going to be about $200, right? And that you're going to make 5% in. But that means you still have your live account of the $50,000 or of the $10,000 account, and you make it 5% every month, right? On that, which is $500. Now, you pass the 50K account, you make 5% on that one, which is $2,500. Now you take half of that one and you buy, or some of it, and you buy yourself at least a 100K account, right? That gives you a 100K account there. And you still have, so remember, you still have your 50K account and you still have the 10K account. Remember this, guys, it's very important. So you pass the 10K account, you make 5% there. That's when you bought yourself the 50K. You pass the 50K right here and you have the 10K, but now with that profits of the 50K, you buy yourself a 100K account. So now you have 10K, 50K and 100K. On this side of this 10K, right, you buy yourself for that profit right here another 50K account right there, making $2,500, and you still have this account here making $500. So $500 with the same account you passed the year. With the same profits you made here, you bought yourself a 50K here, which results to having that account 50K, and then this 50K here, you still have this side, and you bought yourself another 100K account here, making another 5%. So on all these accounts, you're making 5%. So that results basically to having 1, 2, 3, 4 accounts with $100, with $78 basically. Is that the bonus? That's good. If you guys want this, guys, if you guys are liking, just like this video right now, okay? Now with that profits at one stage, let's say this takes you about 3 months to get there. You can say that at one point you'll have about $500, $250, $250, and $500. You combine all of that will give you 10,500 profits. Now with that being said, guys, what you're going to do is with that profits, you're going to buy yourself 4 200K accounts, which will result to $800,000. On that $800,000, guys, what you're going to do is you're going to make just 5% or even 2% of it, which is this here. Let me show you. 800K. Now 1% of 800K, right? It's about $8,000, guys. $8,000. So that's $8,000. What you need to do is you're gonna just let it take that amount, right? And tell yourself, is that enough? If you make a 1 or 2 with that right now, that is about $16,000 on a single trade. So all you're gonna do right now, guys, is just take that, pass all the first one, 10K account. Take that 10K, 5% of that, half of the 5%, buy you 50K account. When you pass the 50K account, you take that 2,500 when you made 5% in the month, buy yourself a 100K account. Then you take all the profits from the 50K, this one here, the 100K here. On the 10k, you take that profits, you buy another 50k. So you have 4 accounts there. After all at 4 accounts, you take the profits and you take at least half of the profits, which is about $5,000, and you buy yourself 400 200k accounts, and that will result to 800. Now if you combine the 800 with this account, 800, 900, $1 million, $1.1 million, $1 million and $10,000 profit from capital. And that is exactly how to do it, guys. It's very straightforward, very easy. If you guys want this blueprint, it's so easy to understand, but people don't get to grasp the value of a $10,000 account. Now you see, you might undervalue a $10,000 account. If I just go back to the side and show you how great is a $10,000 account. With a $10,000 account, guys, you need to understand that 1% of that is $100. If you have a 1 or 2, that is literally $200. And in rands, if you're South African, that is like almost 4,000 for the day. Now, if you just make 5 of that, guys, that's very easy. I'm sure if you think you can make 5% a month, just 5 good trades for the month. Only 5%, not even 100%, only 5%. If you think you can do that, then comment down below right now. Now, with that being said, guys, I also want to give you guys a blueprint. Exactly, I've written out a nice blueprint for you guys. If you want that blueprint, then comment down below right now, blueprint, and then I'll actually send it over to you. Don't forget, you must like this video and subscribe, guys. And also, with that being said, guys, if you do want to join the free group, tap the link in the description. Do join. And if you want to join my VIP subscription, where I have proven data for the past year, I have a 78% ROI made this far with low risk of risking only 1% per trade, making back 2%. If you guys are interested in that as well, I have proven data to show you guys and multiple profits I've passed. You guys can actually join right now. The link is in the description. Message me on Telegram VIP signals or copy and paste, and I will take you through the whole process on how you can actually pass the prop firms, get payouts, or just use my signals to make extra income. With that being said, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Your mate is Shakil Samai. I'm signing out, and I'll see you guys on the other side.